Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be using Organza to make auto gele. I will mark this place with chalk, this 2 inches here. I will sew elastic on the back, then I measure where I mark here. This is where I mark straight here. I measure 20 inches from here down here, 20 inches. I iron to straight this part here. I hold with pin. After finish ironing, like I said, I use 2 inches here, and I measure from where I mark, this place where I mark. I place my tape where I mark here, from here down here, 20 inches. 20 inches here. I will cut here. 30 inches by 60 inches. So I use 2 inches to mark here. Then I measure from where I mark 20 inches. I have 15 inches now. What I will do now is to remove the pin. I will sew elastic on the back. I lining this cap because it's very light, so I lining with the same material. 20 inches by 30 inches, and this one is 20 inches by 30 inches. This is where I'm going to sew elastic on the back here. I will iron this place, these 2 inches here. I will iron. This is the center. This is the center. I will sew elastic here before I fold. I will iron here, then I will bring elastic and sew here before I hem. What I will do now is to sew elastic here before I sew here. I have elastic here. This one is 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch, and I have 1 inch. Being that I have 2 inches here on the back here, this place which I just finished ironing, I have 2 inches here, so I'm going to use 1.5 inch. I will cut 6 inches. 6 inches. This is the center. I will place here and mark. I place this on the center and mark here, and I will place this side on the center here and mark here. So I will sew here, and I will stretch this elastic to this place and sew on top here. When I'm done sewing, I will sew this place. I'm going to sew now after sewing the elastic on it here. So I will sew here. I will bring this way and sew like this and shift and sew to this side. I'm done. What I will do next is to sew on top here. After sewing, I will fold into 2 like this. After sewing on top here, the reason why I lining this organza, this cap, is because organza is very light. I decided to lining. If you want, you can use some other material to lining. Material like this taffeta, plain taffeta, you can use it to lining. Cut 1 piece and use this to lining. It will come out very beautiful. You can use taffeta, you can use satin, or any plain material. After finish sewing, I fold into 2. I'll cut can hold with office pin before you start. From the start here, from the back, I will join this together like this and sew many times before I tie. The last part here, I will tie after sewing many times. The one on top, I have 2 pieces. The measurement I have here is 12 inches by 60 inches. 12 inches by 60 inches, 2 pieces. And 12 inches by 60 inches taffeta. Like this. I will sew the 60 inches long. I have 2 pieces. I will also sew here. When I'm done sewing, I will show you. I'm done with the sewing. After sewing, I bring out the right side. This is the right side. This is the back. This is the front. Let me bring the right side out. I'll fold into 2 like this. This is 30 inches. And I will fold this one into 2 just like this one. I will also get 30 inches from here. $30. What I will do is to use this to cross like this, and use this to cross this way. To come like this, I will hold this hand here with pin, and this side with pin. Like this. I will tack here with thread and needle like 2 times. One, 2, just like this, and tie. I will do the same here. Like this. What I will do next is to bring this one. I will bring this one like this. I will bring this one like this and like this. I will do the same here and bring the 2 together like this and sew. I finished sewing the back, and this is the front. This is the back, this is the front. You can line the cap if you want with organza or with satin or with any plain material with the same color. This is the final look. If you like this video, as always, give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Please share this video to friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.